Welcome to Whiteboard Programming, and today we'll discuss about Visual Studio Code extensions that will make your programming workflow a lot easier and efficient. So let's get started. Number 1. Debugger for Chrome. Believe it or not, debugging JavaScript means a lot more than just writing console log statements, although that makes a lot of it. Chrome has features built in that make debugging a much better experience for all programmers. This extension gives you all those debugging features right inside VS Code. Number 2. Live Server. This extension launches a local development server to enable live reload features for static and dynamic pages. You can configure it to automatically reload pages as soon as you save your current work. Number 3. Tabnine. Tabnine is your polyglot AI coding assistant based on GPT-2 model. Tabnine uses machine learning to help you write code faster and better. There is no configuration necessary for this extension, just install and start typing. The AI will automatically autocomplete your code in under 10 milliseconds for you. Number 4. Code Spelling Checker. We all realize that typos make for a particularly annoying bugs. Well, this extension can prevent this particular type of annoyances by underlining spelling errors in your code. Code Spell Checker works well with camel-based code while keeping the number of false positives low. Number 5. Auto Close Tag. Another particularly unpleasant type of bug which is commonly encountered in web development environment is open tags. Auto Close Tag, as the name suggests, closes your tag automatically. When you open a tag for paragraph, the respective closing tag is instantly added and your cursor is placed between the two, saving you a lot of time and peace of mind. Number 6. Quokka. Quokka gives you a JavaScript and TypeScript sketchpad in VS Code. This means that you can test out a piece of code right there in your favorite editor. Also, it checks your JavaScript code in real time and lets you know which blocks have already executed and which have not. Number 7. Path IntelliSense. While working in large projects, remembering specific file names and directories your files are in can be a tricky task. This extension will help you provide IntelliSense for that. As you start typing a path in quotations, you will get IntelliSense for directories and file names. Using this extension will save you from spending a lot of time in File Explorer. Number 8. Browser Preview. We all know that launching different browsers manually to preview changes across platforms can be a drag. Browser Preview solves this like a charm. This extension creates a debuggable real browser preview inside your editor to help you speed up your development process at ease. Number 9. GitLens. While we all know that VS Code comes with Git support baked in, however, if you want to supercharge it, GitLens help you add several features that will help you visualize, navigate, and better understand a project's Git history. Number 10. Setting Sync. Usually developers spend a lot of time customizing their development environment, especially their text editors. With Setting Sync extension, you can save your setting off in GitHub and then you can load them to any version of VS Code with one single command. So you can simply use this extension so that you don't get caught over your amazing setup ever again. Number 11. Task Explorer. This extension lets you easily manage system tasks in your VS Code. It supports NPM, VS Code, Gradle, Grunt, Gulp, Batch, Bash, Make, Perl, Python, PowerShell, and Ruby. Lastly, it neatly organizes all tasks in trees and supports some task execution as well. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, be sure to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.